Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
In the name of Allah, most gracious and most blessings, salawat and salam always say to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam,
Sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
who has guided us from the darkness era to the lightness era. So, welcome to the show. Before we talk about the hacks you have reached, let's talk about mindset. So, what is about the mountains, these colossal silent giants in Indonesia that pulls a person like you away from the comfort of the city into the wilderness? I mean, why go up when you can chill down here in city? So it's not a hobby, it's a commitment. When this mountain calling officially become more than just a weekend trip, was there a specific mountain, a specific moment where you realize this is part of my life now? So, uh, let me introduce myself. My name is Jose Sabra, and my hometown in Malang. And then here I study in Idean Boarding School in Solo. Okay, JP. So here I with Abdurrahman. So Abdurrahman, you can introduce yourself.
Before that, let me introduce myself. Hello, my name is Abdurrahman. Nice to meet you, Jose.
Okay.
Nice to meet you. Okay. And then I come from Bogor, West Java, and then I am 17 years old. And then I am study at Eden Boarding School, Solo. I think Eden is the best school boarding in Java. And then because Eden have three major, first in programmer, and then second is network engineer, and the last is DKV or Desain Komunitas Visual.
Okay, Maman. Maybe I want to talk about your hobby. So, what is your hobby?
So my hobby is many. The first is like I like football, and then second is I like hiking, and then hiking is my hobby. And then when I hiking, I make sure I have free time. Usually when holiday school, and I think I have planned in December month. I want to go to Selamat Mountain, Inshallah, with my friend, and then after go to Selamat Mountain, go to the Ranu Kumbolo or Mount Semeru in Malang. And then why I like my hobby, because I want go around, and then I like football also, and then usually every day I play football with my friend, and then training training also. Okay, that's our progress.
Okay. Talking about Indonesian tours, how many mountains have you climbed?
Okay, so Indonesia country have many beautiful nature, And then so Indonesia is island country with more than I think 70 island. And then Indonesia have many beautiful place, some of place, and then some of island, and then some of mountain, and then some of beach maybe, and then some of forest. Okay. So as we know, Indonesia have many mountain, and I think the mountain of Indonesia is beautiful. And then do you know Rinjani Mountain, Mas Jose?
Yes.
Rinjani Mountain is I think the best mount in our country. And then Rinjani Mountain is popular mount in this country, I think, maybe. And then Rinjani Mountain, many tourists go to the Rinjani Mountain. I don't know. And then maybe some of country know about Rinjani Mountain. And then Rinjani Mountain is famous mountain in the world. And then Rinjani Mountain have like danau.
Lake.
If like the name is Sagaranak. You can search in your Google. And then not Rinjani, but have many mountain, beautiful. Do you know Kawah Ijen?
Yes.
Kawah Ijen in Banyuwangi. And then Kawah Ijen and Mount Ijen is the different with the other mount, because Kawah Ijen have blue fire. Do you know blue fire? You can
Yes.
search in your laptop. You can try blue fire. Blue fire
Blue.
in Kawah Ijen. Yes. This is the shade. This is the blue fire of Kawah Ijen. Okay. So, Kawah Ijen and blue fire is one of phenomenon in the world, because blue fire is limited edition, and blue fire is just have to in the world. The first in our country, the second in I forget, but I want search the second blue fire. Yes. Oh, the second in Ethiopia. I don't know in where the country. I think blue fire is a beautiful fire. And then Kawah Ijen is famous also in the world, because just have to in the world. And then do you know Bali Island?
Yes.
Bali Island is a famous island in this country, because many tourists holiday in Bali Island, because I think beach of Bali Island is beautiful. And then do you know Pink Beach?
Okay.
Pink Beach is beautiful. And then Bali Island is famous in the world, maybe. And then do you know like what? Do you know animal komodo?
Yes.
Komodo animal. Komodo. Huh?
Labuan Bajo.
Yes, komodo animal is Labuan Bajo. And then komodo animal is just have one in the world.
Yes.
Yes.
Just the island.
Yes. Just have one in the world, in our country, in the world. Sorry. So komodo is limited animal, and then so we must merawat. So we must keep that animal because it's a limited animal. So and then komodo animal in Labuan Bajo, in NTT, Nusa Tenggara Timur. NTT or NTB? I forget. NTB, Nusa Tenggara Barat. I'm sorry. And then in NTB, and also have many beach, a beautiful beach, and have a pink beach. I think enough for the Indonesia nature. Okay.
So when you look back at the list of peaks, what was the biggest mistake you made on any of those claims, and what did it cost you? I want the raw, unedited moment of failure. About mistake you have claimed.
About my mistake.
Ah,
When?
maybe you have a mistake in Semeru Mountain or Bromo Mountain.
I think when I hiking in some of mountain, so I have hiking, I think 6 or 7 mountain in this country. The first I hiking in Bogor, West Java. The name one is Mount Kencana. Do you know Mount Kencana in
Yes.
Bogor? Okay. You can search. And then the second in Mongkrang. In Mongkrang, we hiking with my generation at ADN, and then the second in I think in Cermai, West Java, in Cirebon, and then Cermai is top mountain of West Java, and then I have go to Ijemon. When I go there, I look many tourists from China or Japan, and then from the Europe or until America, and then because Ijeman is famous and then beautiful, and then after Ijen we hiking in Laos with my generation at ADN, and then last month we hiking in Laos in behind my school. I think when I hiking, I don't have any mistake, you see, because I so professional.
Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you, Maman, for your story about moment of failure, about favorite mountain,
Yes.
about many mountain have you climbed, and others. So thank you, Maman. Maybe maybe it's all from us. Jelas I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Cek. Berapa menit, Cak?
15